That's one of the clog right there. Hold on tight, brother. A little bit of trouble with this clamp. That shit looks like my primo nose, you know how fucking. Oh, chueco.
De lunes a viernes ando trabajando, varios se preguntan que cómo le hago, que si ando bateando, ando batallando y no están a gusto por andar chismeando.
Look at this fool, just sleeping on the job, man. Good morning, guys. We are back with another vlog. We're on our way to Whittier right now. We got a 10 plus. Just touch on the diesel real quick because I'm changing my filter since we're here already. Vale verga. Usually we use diesel and oil just to prevent it from, sticking as much. It's always gonna stick, but god damn, this shit's full. All right, let me go get a bucket real quick. I got this shit installed here. Let's go. Clamps. What time it is? I'm gonna get a bucket. Monster for the XP. Let's get it. Alright then, guys. Well, we are here at the job site. We got a little pour. It's simple. There's a truck in front of my truck, but we can't find the owner, so I'm gonna have to pour it like that. Put the concrete right here. Block the driveway. They gotta get out or something. We just pull the truck instead of the pump. This is a whole fucking. What's up, Serrano? Ready or what? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that, man? Alright, let's go. Let's get it. We got the little piece right here. And then, one right here. I gotta start putting my hoses because it's already 7. Yeah, I haven't turned off that truck because in the morning, since I haven't been using it, fucking battery died, but I'm gonna turn it off already, so it's ready to go. Go ahead, surrender. Do it. Do it. Do it, fool.
Just
my
do
feet.
it!
I had a little bit of trouble with this clamp. That shit looks like my primo nose, you know how fucking. Oh, chueco. Serrano, what are you doing? Do it on this side first, fool. Like this. You do it like this. Leave that one. And then you just lower it right here. Because it's harder right there in the metal. It's stronger.
I'm trying.
There. There, fool.
Just do it!
Your fucking leg. Come on, come on. I'm gonna put it on Crocs. Come on. Alright, hold on. Badass. Alright, guys, we're already set up. So we decided just one fat hose, and then I think we have 50 foots. 2 50-footers is 125 feet. I was gonna use the small one here, but we just robbed him a little bit. Fuck it. It is what it is. We're just waiting for concrete now. Come on, Serrano. You look like a bum, fool. Will it reach? I don't think so, but Serrano says it will. And I fucking told him it's not gonna reach. Not reach. Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing, bruh? You forgot? You forget? You forget or what? You're just gonna make me get diabetes, bro. Oh my Jesus Lord. It's tangled up. I don't know why it's tangled if it's in there. Oh, where the fuck is the concrete? I need this motherfucker here. I need Did I clean the inside? I don't even remember. I think I did, right? Should I check it? Fuck it, we're sending it. We're sending it. There's right now. Alright. I didn't even notice that. Holy shit. There's fucking grooves everywhere.
Nice.
Filling up water just as soon as concrete gets here. We're gonna start pouring this motherfucker. If you guys are still wondering, we fill up our water all the way to that middle line right there. You could do it right there, but I'd rather not risk it, you know? There's a 50-50 chance. Yeah, you go in the truck, pero de pinche basura. I give it a little clean, pero nothing. Oh, he's pulling up right now. Oh yeah, he's pulling up right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, little detail, you know? Look at this. Ready, boss? Ready? Got my little brother to prime me out. I'm the one with the truck because I have my seatbelt. It didn't come out bazooka bomb. Huh? Alright, ready. Cooking a little bit, but not that much. Giving it a good mix. para todos, ¿no?
La que se vaya volando para allá, para que...
Alright then guys, we're already washing out. The first load, we just got there to halfway, so I guess it was the driveway. I won myself a fucking $20 bet. I told him I wasn't gonna reach for a full trip, but here we are. You know, I didn't want to wash out, but the whole fucking cleanup and everything was gonna take forever, so I won myself $20 for it. Fuck it. Alright guys, second one is pulling up. We're kind of on a time crunch, but we're gonna remove all these and we'll just put a 25. We'll get this shit quick. All right, 5 minutes later, we got a little 25 footer getting ready to prime out again. I'm just gonna prime out all the way in the bottom like I said at the beginning since I only have one hose. So yeah, let's get ready to it.
Don't do it to me. I beg you. No.
Alright then, guys. We are done. Here, I have a little mess, but I must broom it real quick. I have another fucking job, so I better hurry up. This was made me late. So I kind of forgot to record, but I'll record right now. Alright then, guys, we are pulling up here. If I'm where to guess, that fucking foundation out there. Oh shit, okay. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna pull in the driveway, do a left and send it. Oh, this shit's falling. This little piece right here. Doesn't look like much, but it's fucking steep. Oh, shit, Brando. Let's go, fool. Ready? Alright, just for my safety purposes, the driveway's already cracked. This is like freshly poured or something. The approach, cracked. This cracked here. I don't know. So I'm gonna pull it. Just pump it from there. Let's go, Shavana. This is how we're set up. We got 250s again and 125. The reducer, and then I have my 25 that I use right now. Me estaba estorbando, so I put it right there. Fierro. A ver si no sale muy mojado, güey. Should be good though. That's fucking perfect, güey. That's the one that clogged right there. Alright, it's kinking a little bit. Woo! Come on.
Look at small food.
Small. Alright. Quick little update for you guys. Fucking truck is still not here. It's been like an hour and something. I don't pure fucking water now at this point. So, and they keep telling me a 10-minute drive, and they're still not fucking here. So what I'm gonna do now, I guess I'm just gonna cycle from here back. Oh, they're fucking finally, dude. Holy shit. Hopefully I don't get clogged up. If anything, I'm gonna keep recording, so let's see what's up. Alright, here goes nothing, guys. I'm gonna push all it. I bet hopefully it fucking. We'll tell them quick, cuz. Ahí le va poquito, maestro. Como a bitch. No que no, perro. Chingaste tu madre, hija de puta madre. This is why I fucking love Olins. Alright, let me control it now. Have to let that shit out. I don't know how exaggerated this shit is, but we're laying on the fucking mountain. I'm still out here, holding it down, laying on that shit. We're almost done. What? Hold on tight, brother. We're not pateando nomás. Ahí vamos. Alright, we're going ahead and washing already. Go ahead and wash this right now. The bottom first. Pump. There you go. And then the hopper. get faster, you know? Might as well, cause that shit's dripping too, so. Vale, verga. Right there on the screen. And just like that, guys, we are done. We're just cleaning it up, just cleaning my pump. And we're about to clean all this shit right here. I don't know why it leaves a big residue, but quick wipe, pass, call it a day. Come on, Shabando! What are you doing with my Crocs, mother? What are you doing with my Crocs? Bitch.
Hey, what's up with you?
Alright then, guys, we're gonna call it a day today. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty.
Yes, sir.
Peco doesn't give me the command. Already cleaned up everything, cleaned the pump. Peco Marrala. The fuck is this, Rendo?